Hello everyone, I'm KAYLA LATIFAH from MTSN 6 BANTUL. Let me tell you about Polybag from banana stem. The background are: the first, the increasing use of plastic as a material for making polybags. The second, it takes an alternative materials that environmentally friendly for making polybags. The third, the utilization of banana stem has not been maximized. The tools and materials are: the first, banana stalk or which has been dried. The second, caustic soda. Third, water. The next, chopped banana stalk. Then, high pressure cooker. And then, polybag pulp crusher. And then, 2 ml filter device. Then, bucket. Then, polybag printing tool with a vacuum system and conical shape. And then, filter cloth. How to make product: dried banana stalk, cut into cubes. After that, put in a special cooking tube with a pressure of 3 bar or temperature 130 degrees Celsius. Add water with the composition of the ratio of ingredients to water 1:4. And add 5% lye. The cooking process is carried out for 4 hours. After being cooked, the sapsori is put in the pulp crusher, filtered into 2 ml size. Then, fold into a bucket. Then, filter the lye using a filter cloth. The filter results are put into a bucket to add water with a concentration of 4% materials and 96% water. After that dough is vacuumed for the molding process with the cone-shaped mold. Then, dry the prints in the hot sun for 1 or 2 days. Then, polybag from banana stem is ready to use. Okay guys, it's enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.